Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up parental controls and add a custom passcode to YouTube Kids to make sure your child's content stays safe and age appropriate. So let's just dive in. First, you can just open the YouTube Kids app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can just head to the App Store or Play Store and install it. And next, you can just tap on the gear icon in the bottom corner of your screen, and this will take you to the parent settings area. And now you can see at the bottom there will be this option to set your own passcode. So if you haven't set one up yet, you can just create one by clicking on these options. And then here you need to first solve the simple math problem before you can create the passcode. Just tap on submit, and then you can just enter a 4-digit passcode for your YouTube Kids application. So let's say I'm going to just go with 1 2 3 4, and here confirm your passcode again. And now once your passcode is set, you'll have access to a variety of parental control options. You can adjust things like the content filter. You can also manage the search settings or set timer or screen time limits. So when you're done customizing the settings, you can just tap on save and exit, or you can just go back and you'll just open the YouTube Kids after that. And that's it. Now you've successfully set up parental controls and added a passcode on YouTube Kids to keep your child's experience safe. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. And don't forget to click on thanks. Bye!